Hello everyone, so today I'll be talking about the IKOTA demolition, where people lost properties, lost lives, lost money, lost investment, lost hope. So people have been asking me, hey, what do you think about it? People have been waiting for me to say one or two things about this, but I couldn't say anything because I have to be sure of the information I'll be letting out on my platform, and I had to take my time because I was actually indirectly affected by this IKOTA demolition. How do I mean? A very good friend of mine that we've been together for a very long time was actually affected. So I'm actually affected too. I have to wait to hear from the, and I've been on this whole story for a while before I got these answers I'm bringing up to you. So what happened behind the scene of this IKOTA demolition is what you'll be hearing now. And if you're interested in it, this is the right place for you to be at this moment. So sit back and listen to what I have to say to you. About some years ago, 3 real estate developers came together and they bought some piece of land and they wanted to develop the land. It takes developers went to meet the government and they told the government to approve their plan, and the government said no, because government had plans there too. They wanted to have some developments in that particular area. So because of it was going to take much of time and all that, those do what you want to do, approve our building plan, and we'll do what you want to do. So upon the approval, there was a caveat. The caveat was you have to build the canal, the drainage from IKOTA to IKOTA River, which they agreed. But then they did their own part the way they wanted to do it. So the government fulfilled their own part, but they didn't fulfill their own part. They felt they could, Nigerians and the way they think. So now, because of the lives of people at stake, the government had to take a drastic step of putting down those because they were obstructing the waterway for flood. How would it feel when people are dying of flood, all because of some people's selfishness or some people's greediness? What they're supposed to do, they didn't do it. So the government pulled out those houses. Meanwhile, my friend bought his own apartment for about, I think, 50 million naira or 55 million naira in 2020. He's yet to even enjoy the apartment before the apartment was pulled down. So later they said that they were going to compensate the people, but compensation, I don't think so. Why no compensation? For some people there was no compensation. Why for some people there was compensation? How do I mean? Because those people, there was a redesigned master plan. The master plan that was shown to the buyers was different from the master plan in Alausa. That they brought the master plan that the developers gave them. Then, when they brought the government's master plan, it was 2 different master plans. What should you learn from this? 1, before you buy any real estate investment, be sure of the master plan. Don't just use the master plan of the developers. Go to Alausa yourself or get a trusted realtor like us or a trusted company like the Views Property, where they can help you find the right master plan for that property you're about to buy. Number 1, you need to be sure. It's not about you investing. Investment is good, but investing smart is better, and it's even the best. Even the demolition that is even going on right now, it's not like it's a Nigerian thing. It's all over the world. Yes, the population increases. The government has their own plan. They will need to develop many places, and in the course of developing many places, many people like that, they want to build some road and all that. They want to build road. They want to build Fort Milan Bridge and all this on and so on. So people will still lose their house to the government for road, because the government's intention is greater than the intention of the people. Do you understand? So now, in the case of this IKOTA, and it's not just IKOTA, there are a lot of development going on at the moment. Don't forget, people are increasing every day. The population is increasing, and the government needs to pull down some things to get some development done. The only thing that saves you as a human being, good title document. If you have C of O, maybe you have KZ, you have a if you have a good title document on your property, you will be compensated. So why am I saying all this? Before you buy any property, before you buy any land in Nigeria, please be sure of the master plan. And that brings me to Chaviva. You know, the beautiful thing about Chaviva is under the Ibeju-Lekki scheme. And you know the beautiful thing about the Ibeju-Lekki scheme? The Ibeju-Lekki scheme has the blueprints at the junction. Like, as you're entering into Chaviva, you are seeing the blueprints of the government right on the wall. You can read it. You can know, okay, this is where the fence is, this is where the canal is, this is where the walkway is, this is where whatever is. So, and it has government allocation, like government allocated 25 hectares of land to us. In all through this month, you'll be having a 30% discount if you be investing in Chaviva. So instead of 25 naira for 500 square meters, you'll be getting 500 square meters for just 15 million naira. And instead of 15 million naira for a 300 square meters, you'll be getting 300 square meters for just 10 million naira all through this month. What are you waiting for? I told you, but Chaviva is located opposite the Pan Atlantic University, behind the Eleganza factory, beside Microsoft Village, and all the driving estates are located C of O. So call us right now if you're interested in Chaviva. This is a place you should invest in. So I come away next time. Don't forget again, I am Nuellah, and I will see you on the other side. If you're interested in Chaviva, please click the link around this video to get started. See you on the other side. Bye.